This pattern moves 3 edges. It's going to take this one, move it to here. This one, it's going to move to the bottom, and then the bottom one it's going to bring up to the top. So you bring the middle down, the top goes 180 degrees, and then bring it back up another 180 degrees. So the yellow and red came from back there. The white and orange went to here. And if we do it again, down, 180 degrees, back up, 180 degrees. It moves them again, and then one more time, and they'll go back to where they started. So down, 180 degrees, back up, 180 degrees.